Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. I am Miss D and I am so excited to be here today. I am really looking forward to this upload. It is going to be all about brushes. I want to go through kind of one by one, sometimes three in one sitting, about brushes for your face, for your eyes, what to do with them, how they're made, all that kind of jazz. But I just want to welcome you. If you are brand new, then please, by all means, be one of my beauties. Hit that subscribe button. And if you really like what you see here today, then go ahead and give me a great big thumbs up. That will help my channel. And if you really like what you see today, then tap that bell because that will give you a notification for the next time I upload new content, and for all the beautiful comments that you leave in the comment section below. I am so grateful. So thank you. All right, let's get right into this whole thing. I purchased the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill Master Collection last year, and so I've been using it for a full year now. I think it came in this beautiful sparkly little case, and I'm absolutely loving it. I actually struggled the very first time opening it up on camera. It was a little bit embarrassing, but it did work finally. I will link that just right up there for you so you can go and click on my silliness. But I have had a chance to try out the brushes, and I have found some definite favorites that I go to pretty much every single day. And then I just purchased the Master Remix collection and the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill as well. And I have fallen in love with a couple more of the brushes. So I am going to kind of give you a breakdown of the pricing. I've also got a more affordable brand with me. I will try to do that throughout this entire series so that you have options that you know are available to you. I will give you the American price and the Canadian price. I am Canadian. I am here in Vancouver, British Columbia, right on the Pacific Northwest. So just up above, someone you may already know, Tati Westbrook. She just lives down in Washington State. I do believe her and her hubby are making their way back up to Seattle from Los Angeles. But yes, okay, so I have the two brushes. This is the JH01, and this is the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill. And then this is the Real Techniques, and it is just simply called a powder brush. Now they are almost similar in size. The handles are a little bit different, obviously. And this, the Morphe one by Jaclyn Hill is definitely a lot more dense and full and voluptuous, if you would, than the Real Techniques. But I used the Real Techniques for quite a while and I just loved it. And but what I use this for, there's three different ways that you can use it. Really, you can just for a very light application, just kind of brush it across your face, and that will give you the least amount of powder possible. Then or you can kind of sweep it using the very tip of the brush itself, kind of brush that across your face as well. Or the way that I like to use it is to dip it into my setting powder and then pounce it or press it or stipple it all over my face, whatever word you use to kind of that pouncing motion. You know what I mean? I call it stippling, but you can do whatever you want, say however you wish. But yeah, that is how I use this brush. It is one of my most favorite, and I use it every single day. It gets washed probably once about every 6 days. I like to keep my brushes clean, and there's a silly little thing that I like to do. This one is obviously dirty. I've been using it for the last couple of days, but I love to smell the bristles when it's clean. This one is absolutely clean. It's I don't know, it's one of those things. When I did that, and I will link that one up here as well, when I did that little video, I received so many people telling me, oh, I like to smell like my laundry when it just comes out of the dryer. And I'm like, oh, I never really thought about that. That is how much of a makeup geek I am. All right, let's get down to pricing of these. I purchased this in a set, and I believe the Canadian price was $216 in total for the entire set. Amazing price. I know it's a big investment. I like to invest in my makeup and my cosmetics and all that kind of stuff. I don't travel a lot, so where I spend my money is makeup and beauty and skincare and all that. All right, so on the Morphe site, we have a Morphe Canada site here in our beautiful country, and she is selling these, the JH01, individually for $32 Canadian. It's a lot of money, but you know what? If it is something that you are going to be using every single day, then oh my gosh, it is worth the money. The bristle type, the bristles, the brush head, they are synthetic, the same with the Real Technique. All right, so the American price for this is $24, so a little bit more affordable, but the Real Techniques, I'm going to give you the Canadian price first. The Canadian price is $14.99 and the American price is $10. So you guys are really lucky down in your country. Amazing, because you have the amount of people to kind of provide the demand for it. They can lower the prices and give you guys a really great deal. But yeah, that is pretty much the information that I wanted to give you today. I love the feel of both of them. They have really, this one is a little bit more heavy, and I do like how the brush feels in my hand. It's just, this is pretty much how I hold it, like I would a pen or a pencil if I were writing. And the same thing with this. It's just a little bit lighter, but it does the exact same job because there isn't so as many bristles on the top as the Morphe. Then you're gonna have to work a little bit harder, a little bit more, and apply a little bit more product just because the brush head is smaller. So, whew, that was a lot of information. I hope I answered all your questions that you might have had. If you do have any more questions, then please, by all means, let me know in the comments section below. Do you have a favorite brush? I would love to hear from you. So, whew, all right, I will be uploading these little informational videos about brushes every Friday, and please join me on Tuesdays for my tips and tricks Tuesdays. I love those. They're short, they're sweet, they're to the point, and you are who I make them for. I love every single one of you. I really truly do. When you come and visit me, it makes my day, and yeah, you're my reason for doing this. So thank you. I want to remind you, ladies, no matter what, I am enough. And I'm saying that for you because I want you to believe in yourself. I am enough. All right, I leave you with that, and I will see you in my next upload.